Hi, I'm Kyran, and I'm 14.
I'm Jensen, and I'm also 14 years old.
We have built the IGuide Pathfinder app to help the visually impaired find their way through buildings.
My role was the app developer. I ensured the app had all the features we wanted for the initial release.
And my role was designing the app so that it's easy to use.
The purpose of our app is to help visually impaired individuals independently navigate through buildings and public spaces, such as malls, airports, educational institutions, and even their workplace.
The target audience for the app are the visually impaired individuals who would like to be more independent and own a smartphone.
The iGuide Pathfinder app works with a series of Bluetooth low-energy beacons. Each of these beacons emits a unique signal that can be identified by the app. These will be placed at significant points and locations throughout a building or public space. For instance, they can be placed at washrooms, water fountains, and even exits.
As a person is walking past the Bluetooth beacon, their smartphone will pick up the signal and the app's audio will broadcast their location through headphones or earbuds. We chose the Bluetooth beacon specifically because of their low cost, low power consumption, and long-lasting battery life.
We use the coding language MIT App Inventor to create our fully functional app. This part of the code informs the app when it's come near particular Bluetooth iBeacons.
This part of the code translates the app's message to the user into different languages upon the user's request and announces the message to the user.
This is where we design the different screens for our apps. This is the home screen, this is the help screen, and this is the info screen. The features of the app include having a start and stop button, being able to select your language, having information about the app, and being able to have help, feedback, settings, and about. The user of the app would have on accessibility mode, so all the text would be read out loud.
We will now be demonstrating the app. It will be done on a tablet so that it is easier to see the features, but we intend for it to be done on handheld devices such as your smartphone. In this situation, the visually impaired person is trying to find their way to their gate in a busy, crowded airport. The Bluetooth beacon is nearby as I walk, and when I'm getting closer to it, the app will eventually pick up its signal and output the audio.
Gate C13.
As you heard, it said Gate C13.
In this scenario, I am in a mall and approaching the women's bathroom.
Women's bathroom.
We got the inspiration to work on this app when my father was diagnosed with glaucoma and lost 35% of his vision. There is no cure for the damages glaucoma causes to the optic nerve, and this is the leading cause of blindness. This life-changing event caused me to research more into the apps that already exist to help the visually impaired navigate, and I was surprised to find that the only ones that exist are there to help them with outdoor navigation, like how we use Google Maps. We decided to create iGuide to change this.
We hope that our app will make the difference in the lives of many visually impaired individuals.